Okay, here's how you tear down an existing home and build a new one in its place in 60 seconds. First you tear down the old one, then you dig a big hole, remove all the dirt, then you put all the dirt back in with a big bulldozer, then you dig another hole and you build a basement because of the zoning laws. It makes more sense to have extra space. You put in one steel beam to hold up the floor. Then you bring the wood in and you frame up the floor platform, throw up a few walls, throw up a few more walls, throw in a few structural beams and headers, and before you know it, you've gotten to the second floor. Oh, hey, look at that. There's an ocean view. We might want to do a little redesigning with the architect. But here we go, moving on. Second floor popped up. Look at all those cool gables. I love framing. The fresh smell of wood in the morning. All that beautiful lumber as you build up and create the rooms of your new house. Use all these cool machines to haul stuff up there. But before you know it, you're putting the plywood on and you're ready to close the house in, put your mechanicals in, and move onwards. Hopefully by this time you've ordered all your windows and your cabinets and all the other stuff. You're starting to get ready for stucco. You got some stucco samples of cool different beiges, fireplaces, mechanicals, cabinets, kitchen, interior grinds on, and then you get the beautiful finished stucco on the outside. Before you know it, wham, bam, boom. You've got a beautiful kitchen with marble-topped island family room attached, dark wood floors, window seats. Ah, look at that window. That's where the architect put the new window in to take advantage of that ocean view. His and her sinks in the bathroom. Very romantic, classic styling. And there you have it. That's how you take a house from an existing place to a new home in 60 seconds, more or less. OtisBradley.com. Call me.